Today we're gonna be filming people's reactions to the Corvette. Let's go. Ha.
Oh my God, bro.
Adrenalina, mi bebé.
All right, first up we got my cousin. We're about to go hit the streets, middle of the day. So
Midday pull.
How you feeling? You excited?
Man, I don't think I've ever been in one of these. Buckle up.
He's gonna go
Safety first, then teamwork.
You're gonna go flying out the car.
Yes, sir. Never been in one of these. See how they launch.
Slight pull.
A little small pull. Beautiful day. We got the sun out, shining nice and bright.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
3, 2.
Oh. Damn, son. Oh my God, bro. The force that grabs you to pull you back is crazy. Oh my God. I haven't seen one of these in action like that. That's crazy. Not too bad, not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. A little something to kick your socks off, boy. I stayed put and my shoes were moving.
I surprised myself.
Oh my God. That was crazy. The aggressiveness is beyond me. It's a beautiful day here in the city of Sins.
Right, the sun is out.
Sun's shining.
It's not too hot, not too cold.
Not too hot, not too cold. I got my newborn out and about today. Let her explore the world.
Well, that's basically it. We'll see who we do next.
Not too shabby.
All right, next up we got David. He's already been in the car. He's already felt what it's like going fast in it. But we got to film his reaction for the video. We're not doing anything crazy. Regular street. What you thinking, David?
It's a very nice car. Very fast. I'm just messing with you, man.
Oh, we got a few open houses right here. Might stop by, try to buy a house. Do you want to come back to Vegas eventually?
Hopefully he will. Hopefully he will.
All right, we're going in 1, 2.
Oh shit, man. 0 to 60 in 7 seconds.
0 to 60 in 45 seconds.
45.
0 to 60 in 60 seconds. Well, that was David's reaction. Now let's see who we get next.
All right.
All right, next up, now we got Paula in the car, special guest, VIP, editor-in-chief.
Hola, hi, hello.
She's also already been in the car. I felt plenty of pulls, so hopefully we can still get a good reaction. What does Goku say?
No sé, ¿qué dice?
Kamehameha. Ha!
Oh my god. Creo que es lo más rápido que ha ido, ¿no?
Sí.
O sea, conmigo. Me devolvió la del Lambo.
Filming live reaction to girlfriend driving Lamborghini. Let's go. Ah! Oh, sh. Oh. I need to change my underwear. That was a good reaction, but what do you think? Last thoughts.
It was fun. Hehe. Bye.
Alright guys, last reaction. We gotta get my mom's. Just gotta exit out to the street. Hopefully we'll get something good. Hopefully don't get yelled at. There's a closed road right up ahead. We're gonna do it. ¿Está lista, ma?
Sí.
She says she's ready. 3, 2.
Ya, mamacita.
¿Cómo se sintió?
Ay, adrenalina, mi bebé. Mi baby chiquito. Adrenalina.
Say straight adrenaline. That was a pretty good one. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you thought about this one. Let me know if you want to see similar videos. Maybe we can do some in the Middle East with some of those Chinese cars going really fast. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.